Please allow me to walk you through the process of creating a Syllabux account. After downloading the Syllabux app, open it and select Continue as a parent. Tap Register and fill out the form with your personal information. Not your child's information, but your own. At the bottom of the form, tap the Register button when you are done. Each parent will need to register for their own separate account. Remember to include a nice photo that will serve as your profile picture. After successfully registering, an activation code will be emailed to you. Copy the code from your email address in order to proceed. If you do not find the code in your inbox, check your spam folder. You must have been taken to the page for account activation. If not, click the Activate button to get to the account activation page. Enter the account activation code that you copied from your email into the field on the account activation page and tap Activate. To sign in, select the Login button and enter your password and email address. You do not need to register again if the activation code was not sent to you in your email. Just select Reset Password and follow the instructions.